Mr. Brain, not too.
Hello my dear children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn folk animals and its sounds. Let's move inside the farmland. Cow, cow, C-O-W, cow. And the cow says, rabbit, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. And the rabbit says, sheep, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, sheep. And the sheep says, goat, goat, G-O-A-T, goat. And the goat says, cat, cat, C-A-T, cat, cat. The cat says, pig, pig, P-I-G, pig. And the pig says, dog, dog, D-O-G, dog. And the dog says, horse, horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. And the horse says, duck, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. And the duck says,
quack, quack, quack.
hens, hens, H-E-N-S, hens. And the hens say, hope you enjoy the farmland with animal sounds.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.